Good Friday morning, and it is a milder start as we are waking up with mostly 70s across South Florida. 73 in Fort Lauderdale, 72 in Miami and Homestead, and even for the Keys, low to mid 70s. The other big story as we head into your weekend is that it is going to be turning windy, as already we're looking at the wind speeds right now about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and that's part of the reason we're also waking up to a milder start. Now, winds are going to be gusting anywhere from about 15 to 20 miles per hour as we head through the morning, possibly even up to 25 to 30 miles per hour as we head throughout the day today. So it will be blustery, and that, of course, is leading to some dangerous conditions and a high risk of rip currents that begins this morning and goes through this weekend. So many of you may be headed to the beach. You'll see the red flags flying, and it is not safe to go swimming in the ocean. In addition to that, some very hazardous marine conditions. Small craft advisory is in effect for the Atlantic waters. That's through Sunday, as we're going to be dealing with choppy conditions on the bays, rough near shore for the Florida Keys, as we're dealing with small craft caution for now. But as we head into later today, there will likely be a small craft advisory. So in terms of what's next and what you can expect as we head into your holiday weekend, well, we're going to be breezy to windy at times, warm afternoons, looking dry, likely through Easter with just stray showers as we head into next week. Right now, next weather radar is quiet, should stay dry throughout the day today. Highs in the low 80s as we head into the afternoon. And you can watch the Marlins game on our sister station, CW Miami 33. First pitch forecast, and this is an away game in Philadelphia as the Marlins take on the Phillies. Low 70s, around 5-6 p.m., upper 60s heading into later in the evening. Warm and breezy through the weekend. That is the story as we will enjoy a beautiful Easter Sunday morning. The sunrise at 6:52 a.m. Excellent weather for the egg hunts, especially early morning. That's your best bet. Highs in the low 80s. And as we take a look here at the forecast for Easter at the farm at Teness Farms, highs will be in the low 80s with plenty of sunshine. It is looking beautiful here as we head into the weekend. Low rain chances, breezy, warm. And next week for Earth Day, Tuesday, 84, a little bit warmer, and then a 10% chance of rain Wednesday and Thursday.